I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking one platform and registering a domain because speed beats perfection. Choose hosted versus self-hosted based on budget and control, then install a simple theme. Next, set permalinks and create an about and contact page so visitors know who you are. Write your first 300 to 600 word post that solves one clear problem. Explain how to do it step by step. Once done, publish and share at least one link to get immediate feedback and momentum. You now build a repeatable process. Create 3 topic pillars and aim for 1 post per pillar each week so ideas don't stall. For every article, optimize structure. Clear H2 headings, 1 to 3 images with alt text, and a concise meta description. Make sure each post links to older posts to keep readers longer. Use 1 target keyword per post and a readable URL. This helps search engines and humans. Once your routine is steady, measure traffic and double down on what works. You finish by promoting and refining. Share new posts via email, 1 social channel, and a niche community to attract the right readers. If you want revenue, test 1 monetization path at a time like affiliate links or a small product. Make sure to track analytics so you know what converts. If something goes wrong, slow load times, disappearing traffic, or missing pages, check site speed, fix broken links, and review analytics. Then address the highest impact issue first to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.